Hello and welcome back to another episode or video on Friend's Car Repair Corner. So today it is going to be a Mondeo one. The Mondeo has been a bit neglected recently since I've had the Mini. That's kind of been my obsession at the moment. So yeah, she needs a service. But the main thing is now that we're getting into like the winter months and it getting darker, I need to sort out my headlights. So months ago, I had bought these motors for the headlights to sort them out, because at the moment, you know what, instead of me waffling about the lights, what we'll do is I've got some replacement ones, just standard ones to put in. Okay, reason being is because my current ones aren't putting out enough light or where they should be. Okay, so I just wanted to get some cheap ones in there so that I can then sort out my headlights. And then I'll explain what I had done to the headlights to then not make them work, because they were working to start with. So let's stop all of this waffling. Hopefully that all makes sense. Gonna get these to the car, get these in, get my ones then out, and then I can explain what's going on. So these are my Mondeo lights. Okay, so the reason that I actually did do the LED rings was because these are Mark 4.5 lights and they don't have side lights. So you see that there, that's just a metal cap. Okay, so these are Mark 4.5 headlights, which would normally have the DRLs here. Okay, so I had no side lights. So to pass MOT, I needed to wire some sort of side lights in. Okay, so that is the reason all of this then ended up happening. Okay, these are then the ones that I need. Okay, well, I suppose not. These aren't titanium X ones. These are just standard like halogen ones. However, I have stuck an LED light in. And yeah, you can see there is the side light. So I've just stuck in a normal side light one at the moment. Didn't come with any bulbs, so I'm gonna have to take the full beam out of this one and then put into here. But yeah, so basically the issue that I did then with these is these motors don't work. So they should move up and down, left and right, all that kind of stuff. The motors in here don't work, so they've been in a static position. What I had then done is replace the motors, but the motors I had made the lights point out this way and that way. So I was getting no light on the road whatsoever. I couldn't seem to get them to move back in, to go straight, etc. So I don't know, maybe they need coding, but for now I haven't got the time for that. I need to be able to drive the car because at night time, because it's getting, you know, dark, etc. So that's the plan. Let's get these ones then into the car now quickly, get the stuff then out of them, we'll test them, make sure side lights, everything then works. I do believe I've got one indicator bulb in, but one I don't, so I'm gonna again have to take some of the stuff out of there. But I don't need to teach you how to do headlights. Oh, I did bring these though, because if you have seen my, I'll show you actually quickly. I don't actually have the proper, not all of them. Oh, I've literally got like one bolt in on them. So I'm hoping that, yeah, I can use something there to actually secure the headlights a little bit more better in. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Let's get these switched over. Right, there we have it then. Headlights are back in. I have just tested them. They are all working apart from that side light bulb. So I need to replace that one, but I'm going to get some of those LED ones like I did with the Mini. But yeah, I'll just quickly show you them now. There we go. So you can see the LED in that one there. Not LED, side light, but yeah, not working in there. So yeah, I believe it is the bulb, because I have got all of that wired up correctly. So yeah. So I've brought the light out here now. I'm just going to leave the ones that I've just put in there. I may end up splitting those ones and then doing the same thing, you know, doing up this black. But at the same time, maybe I won't, because I might then end up having this issue. So I resealed it, but I don't think the sort of the tape or the, yeah, like a, I need to find out what it's called, like a butyl or something like that, like tape. And it's basically like black blue tack in a sense. And yeah, when it's hot, it goes all soft and sticky. And then when it goes cold, it's basically hard and just sticks. But yeah, it's basically come away on mine. So because of that therefore meant I was then getting condensation in the line. Okay, so do I really want to split my other headlights that I've just got and then potentially get that issue? And the reason that I did split these is, as I say, is because I wanted to do the black, but I also needed to do something with the side lights. So that's enough of sort of the waffle LED light. So it's this motor, okay, and what that does is basically fit onto this black, oh, you can't see it like that, like onto this chassis bit, and you can see it can move the actual main projector light. So it's that I replaced because my one had died, okay, but it wasn't that I actually needed to do, because I think there's the other one which is over here, just there. That's the one that makes it move up and down, which is the one that I should have done. But yeah, so that's where we're going to leave today's video. If you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe and like the video if you have liked the video. I am going to be doing, what other stuff have I got? More with the Mondeo, because I want to turn it into like a camper, sleeper camper thing, but that's probably going to be in the new year when it starts getting a bit more warmer. I have got a few more things that I want to sort out on the Mini, but really what I want to try and do is basically have one car that is fully working, so that I can then have like the other car, that can be off the road, and I can just work on it when I've got free time and I don't have to sort of worry. And at the moment I'm kind of having to use in between the two cars. One of the cars has then been flat, and my Minis then not have power steering, and so basically I'm waffling now. So let's just stop and join me on the next one.